What are you picking there?
I'm picking strawberries for a snack later.
Can you spot the strawberries? Let's find a red one.
I haven't had the conversation with Denise about not flying up my shorts, so I'm going to get this off.
For snack today, we're gonna make sweet and savory bug on a leaf. So we'll need crackers, strawberries that we just picked, greens, I have some spinach here, hummus, peanut butter, and tomatoes. And cherry tomatoes look the best. So we're gonna start with crackers, and for my savory, we're gonna use the hummus. So we're just gonna spread a little bit of hummus on my cracker, like this. And then I'm gonna put my leaf down, like that. I'm gonna do a little bit more hummus. And I'm gonna put my bug on, like that. Okay, and for your sweet bug on a leaf, have your same cracker, and you're gonna put some peanut butter, and then strawberry right on there, just like a bug. 2 bugs on 2 leaves.
Should eat it.
Gotta do 1 bite though.